Hi, Liz Beavers with Graphic Solutions Group. We're here live at our Dallas facility and we're stitching out with the Coloreel on our ZSK embroidery machine made in Germany. Joining me with the Coloreel is Thomas. He has come in all the way in from Sweden to join us here to do these demos. Thomas?
Thank you, Liz, and thank you for having us and having me here, coming all the way from Coloreel, Sweden, to present the new technique. So Coloreel, what is that? We say that's typically a digital solution for an analog business. Embroidery is traditional and been analog for so many years. And we work very well with the ZSK machines. We're doing so for a couple of years now. So the Coloreel is a printer where we print on the yarn, we print on the thread. So instant thread coloring unit. So that's good for you if you want to do some special effects like gradient, which is impossible to do with regular embroidery. We can do it now with Coloreel. On top of that, we gain a lot of sustainability since we produce almost zero wastewater created with this new technique. So that's good for the environment. It's becoming more important, as we all know. And secondly, you also can reduce your cost and setup time using Coloreel, because here you have, in this particular machine, you have 18 needles. If you want to go above 18 colors, you have obviously to rethread and change the colors there. This machine, here we have 10 million plus colors in the machine. Again, it's a printer using the SMYK technology, so that enables you to have 70%-ish of the Pantone palette. So that's a lot of colors to work with. Meaning, for a small batch production or medium-sized production, you always have the right colors in stock. You don't produce any waste. You don't produce using the thread where you use 10% of it and then you put the rest on the shelf and then it becomes obsolete after a while. So here you only produce what you use. Meaning very efficient production, and also you always have the right colors in stock. So you don't have to wait for the delivery, for the thread coming in. The client wants this blue or they want a different shade of blue. You can change that on the fly, so you can produce new samples for your client immediately. So again, for small batch, medium-sized production, this is a very good technology. Yeah, so it's interesting, as you see here now, we are changing color now. We are producing yellow there, and then we move now, traverse towards purple, bluish there on the fly. We take the yarn up there, so we start up there with just regular white yarn from Madeira, and then in here we have the print technology. So this is a print head from Rico. This is where all the magic stuff happens, where we print on the yarn using the SMYK blend to blend it to the perfect color desired. And then here is the fixation unit and drying area, so where we kind of make all the contact fixation to the yarn. So when it comes out of the machine, it's already ready and sublimated, so there's no stain, no nothing. Full washability according to 95 degrees Celsius, that is. So this is now just few examples of logos. You know, many of you know this logo, and now finally you can get it embroidered as it's supposed to look in real life, so to speak. Again, this is a gas station in Europe. They are very big there. Also here you can have the logo embroidered on the shirt or whatever they want, as it's supposed to look in a professional way. So this is an interesting one. Everyone knows that that logo there. We all want to strive for that star, no? And then here is it's a very good example of how to enhance the garment in like an merchandising environment to get more appeal or a professional feeling look for the brand name. This is an interesting effect you can feature you have with inside the Coloreel, where you can create this kind of stripe effect. You see, this is now a blend of red, blue. You can do whatever color you want, and to create this kind of stripe effect. It's very cool.
We want to thank you for watching our video and taking a look at the ZSK machine and the Coloreel. So be watching our page for dates and times and schedule your personal demo with myself and Thomas.
Hope to see you there.